Hi guys, good evening and welcome back. So today, we'll continue with the collection framework. So we have completed the array list concept in the collection framework. So today, let us talk about the set. So set is also one of the interface in the collection framework. So using that set, so there are many classes which are implemented the set interface like HashSet and linked HashSet and other classes. So we will try to discuss one by one. So what is set? So set is basically it is one of the collection frame. I mean collection interface. So which basically which refers to it allows only the unique values. So what is the uniqueness or what is the core feature of the set is like it allows only the unique values and it will allow only one null values. Okay, so it won't allow duplicate values. So we have seen in the list, right? So it was allowing the duplicate values and it was allowing the null values. So it was like that. So but when it comes to the set, so it will allow only the unique values. So it will allow only one null values and it won't allow the duplicate values. So here also there is no fixed size. How many we want, we can keep on adding it. So then it is to work with the objects. Okay, so now so let us try to declare one or create one object for the set interface and we'll try to work with that. So let us see how it goes. So basically set is an interface and we have to write the argument type. So let us assume it is integer. So then let me give a name for this variable, for this object, new cache set. So this is the class. The type is integer and close it. So import this set from java.util package and import this hash set also from java.util package. So now the question is we have to add the values into the set, right? So here also one more thing guys. So it does not have any indexing. So we cannot get in the array list. Now we can get the values based on the index, right? So here there is no indexing, so random access is not possible. And also one more thing is it is not thread safe. So basically the thread safe meaning is so multiple threads can access this as set and I mean the each thread can access this at the same time. So one thread can, if one thread is modifying the value, so another thread will not get the latest value, it might get the old value only. So if it is not thread safe, so then the performance will always be faster. So multiple threads can access and it does not have any indexing. So that is what we have to make a note of this. Okay, so now coming back to how to order values. So as simple as that, in the array list, so we have an add method, so we just have to add it. So one. Okay, now set one dot add. Now let us add two. Now set one dot add. Now we'll add three. Let us print these values and let us see what is going to happen. Set one. Okay, yeah, fine. So 1, 2, 3 it is printed. Fine. So now let me add one duplicate value guys. What is going to happen? We'll see. Again 1. Set 1. Let me print this. What is going to happen? Nothing is going to happen. So it is still printing 1, 2, 3. So the meaning is it did not add these values as it is already 1 is already added. So this will return false. So that is the reason it did not add. Okay. So now let me find the size. What is the size of this one? This out and set one dot size. So the size would be 3, right? Yeah. So the size is 3. So now if I want to get the values one by one, so we can just write one for loop it is an integer, right? Integer I directly you pass the set one and come back inside the loop and system.out.println and just print the value of 5. So yeah guys, so that is how we can get the values one by one from the set. So okay, so now the point is, so let us try to see a few more methods in this particular. Okay, so there is odd method, odd all method, contains method is there, contains all is there, is empty, notify all, and remove all, size is there, and two array is there, two string is there, and like that. So there are some methods like add all and retain, remove. So like that, few methods are there guys. So let us try to explore the methods. So okay, so now let me print this out. Contains, okay, set one dot contains. Why I am printing them, I don't know. Contains. So say for example, I'll check one. So it will return obviously like true, right? It should return true because this set one contains one, so it is returning true. If I pass some other values apart from one, so it should return me false. So basically it is going and checking in this particular set whether this value is available or not. So if it is there, so it will return true, and if it is not there, it will return false, guys. So now let us move back to some interesting concept. Okay, so now the set is having 1 2 3, right? Let me add one more value just for to make it simple. Set one dot add the add, let me add the value of 3, I mean sorry 4. So now the set one is having 1 2 3 4 as the values. So now assume like I want to add one more set, okay, which is also integer type, and which is set 2 is equal to new hash set of integer type, and here I can directly pass the values uh, arrays that as list. Assume 3 4 5 6. I'm trying to add 3 4 5 6. So this is capital letters. So now let me print set 2. Now the value of set 2 will be 3 4 5 6. Okay. Yeah, let me comment out these values guys for time being. Now the set 1 is 1 2 3 4, and set 2 is 3 4 5 6. So there is a method called add all, right? So let me try to explore that one. Set 1 dot add all of set 2. What is the expectation? So it has to add the set 2 values into the set 1. So in this case 3 4 are the common values, right? So it is duplicated values. So these two it will not add. So it will add only 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 should be the expectation. This out of set 1. So now if you look at 1 2 3 4 5 6, it is added. So that's it. So now let me see, let me remove this one. Set 1 dot remove all. Okay, set 2. So now what is the expectation? So it should remove the set 2 values from the set 1. Okay, so here it has to remove set 2 values from the set 1. So what are the values available set 2 in the set 1? So 3 4 are the common values, right? So the meaning is, so only 5 6 should be returned. So let us print these values. Yeah, so now 3 4 removed from the set 1. So what are the remaining values in the set 1? So 1 2. Okay, so now let me do retain method. Set 1 dot retain all. Okay, set 2. So now what is the expectation? So it has to retain the set 2 values. So the thing is, it will retain these values. Okay, so now let me print these values. Yeah guys, so 3 4 it has retained. So earlier, so when I did this one, when I remove the set 2, so it has removed the common values and it has kept the set 1 values. When I retained all, it has retained only the common values. So you are getting it, right? So there is a mathematical operations, right? So when the set 1 is having certain values, set 2 is having certain values. So if I want to only get the set 1 values, so we have to use the removal. So if I want to only find the values which are common values, so we have to use the retain method. If I want to add both the values, we can add the all values. So that's all, guys. So in the next session we will try to cover some of the interview questions on the sets. So find out find out the common elements between the two characters, and find the duplicate characters, so find the duplicate numbers, so like that. So basically, I think I hope you understood that. So remove all, what it does is it will remove the 3 4 common values from the set 2, and only it will keep the array, I mean set 1 values. If you retain the set 2, only common values it will keep. Okay, so that's it, guys. So thank you so very much for watching. If you like my content, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, guys. I'm seeing almost 40 50 100 views are happening, so I'm not seeing any likes, comments and subscription. So please do like, share and subscribe to my channel if you like my content. So thank you, guys. Thank you so very much.